guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to film like a day in the life with you all, especially today because it's a very busy day, so I figured why not bring you along. I have to run to Target, get some printouts at Walgreens, headshot, resume, edit a video, do some DIYs for a video, film this video. I have so much to do I can't even remember it, but I do know I need to go to Target, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Gosh, what do I need at Target? It'll come to me, it's fine, it's fine. I wanted to show you everything I got at Target. I also wanted to tell you what a good deal it was. So let me go ahead and flip you around. First thing I'm going to show you is this OXO container. You know, if you've seen some of my other organizing videos, that I have a few of these already. These are normally so expensive. This is the smaller of their like snack cereal container. And just so you guys can see what a good deal it really was, this was originally $16 and I got it for 50% off at $8. So this was a great deal. Literally, I checked out and when it scanned, it showed up as like an error and the lady came up and said, "Oh dang, this is a good deal for this." And I was like, I know. Then I went ahead and picked up some gold spray paint. Normally I get the one that has like the little like squirt nozzle, but this one has an extra shiny finish, so I feel like I might like this better. We actually spray painted the couch legs with the spray kind of Rust-Oleum and it came out kind of brown. So I went ahead and picked up this shinier one to use. And then I also picked up some teal spray paint, and the reason I picked this up is because I want to do some patriotic decor, but I kind of want to make it a little girly, a little more classy. So I'm using some of this to spice that up into like a more modern patriotic look or modern Americana look. And then also because I want to incorporate this more into the house because we do have this in the canvas in the living room. So I just want to add some more color. And I picked up some of these reusable cups and they're color changing. This one has like a clear one, a peach one, and a pink one. And then it has a picture here of what it looks like once they're filled with drinks. So I just thought that would be fun for summer and by the pool. Great deal. And then here is like the best deal I got. So this is the Target peel and stick wallpaper, and let me see if I think that's the best I'm gonna get for you all, but this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be like a faux tile. The clearance sticker here says that it was on sale for $23.80 and was originally $34. Homegirl here got it for $10.20. I don't know what the thing is, but when it scanned up, it came up as $10 and the lady was like, "Oh well, okay, great deal." And I was like, I know, right? I got it and I'll show you the receipt here under home wallpaper, regular price $34, and I got it for $10.20. Amazing deal. And then also I got some items from the Target dollar spot. Oh, those cups were from the Target dollar spot, but I wanted to show you some of the other ones I got, so let me go grab those. I got 2 picture frames. These were good quality. I got this for $3. I got one in white and then I got one in this wood tone, and I got the wood tone because I think this is the kind I want, but I figured worst case scenario, if I did want it white, I could paint it white. And then the last thing I picked up was this huge art print. I'm literally gonna set it up for you all so you can see. And this was $1. It was $1. Target is just so good to us. We don't deserve them. We really don't, but woo! Y'all, look at this print. This print is absolutely huge. It is 15 inches by 19 inches. It is a full poster size. This is so big, just so you have like reference like to my cabinets and my microwave. Like, it's bigger than my microwave. And I just think this is such a trendy print, and they had tons of other ones. Why is this such a good Target day? I felt so blessed. And that was pretty much everything I got at Target. Now I'm just gonna go ahead. So I have some lessons to schedule, and then I have some meetings to schedule with people, and then I'm gonna work to go ahead and order my photos for all these frames that I have. So I have those 2 frames I need to fill, and then this is actually a sneak peek to like the DIY video that's coming out. This is like a photo frame we literally found on the side of the road during COVID, and then I spray painted it, and we're gonna fill it with photos, and that's that. And then I have some like dollar store frames. Oh, they're right here. We have dollar store frames to fill, and then we have headshots we need printed out because it's an audition weekend.
An option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you.
Alright, so quick update. I am currently doing a little bit of laundry. I have to wash some things in order to like DIY them for that other video. So I'm kind of like filming 2 videos today, so I'm getting a little scattered brain about like what video I'm on when I'm starting a new clip, but I've just spent so much time on my computer trying to sort through photos, and then I realized that it was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I have not eaten lunch, and I ate breakfast at like 8. I need to go feed myself. I decided that it was pretty much late in the day enough that I could probably start prepping dinner because it's actually 4. I thought it was 3. It was actually like 3:40. So I just prepped the dinner, and then I just am gonna snack on some Parmesan garlic good thins. Good thins are really, really good. I highly recommend them. And then I'll probably just pull some more snacks. I think we sell pretzels, and I think we have a little bit of hummus, so I'll snack on that, and then I'll show you what I made for dinner. Okay, so here I just took some turkey. I browned up the ground turkey, and then I added in some onions and garlic, let that roast and brown a little. Then I went ahead and added in like a whole container of pasta sauce. Then I took this garden rotini, it's the tri-colored, and then a little bit of chicken broth, some seasonings, and I just stirred it all up. And then obviously the noodles are raw, so I'm just gonna let this sit with a lid on it for probably about, I don't actually know how long I'm gonna let this sit. I just wing cooking most of the time. So this is why I'm awful at recipes, because I just I do my own thing. If you've seen a cleaning video from me before this current video, you'll know that something that happens to us a lot is we'll normally have like a pile of clothing kind of like folded but like on the couch instead of in our closet, and that's because often when we're putting away our laundry we run out of hangers. I went ahead and ordered us some more hangers. Basically I have a laundry basket sitting right over there off camera that needs to get put onto these hangers and then finally get put away in the closet, and we're gonna have that corner of our room back. Well, for the most part. A new kind of ecstasy. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side. And because I had some cleaning to do, and because I have so much cleaning motivation on my channel already, I knew I had to go ahead and incorporate into this video. So enjoy this little time lapse of me doing some laundry, hanging stuff up, and folding some laundry that had just gotten out of the dryer. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. Someone pretty need a different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are Good morning, everyone. It's the next day, and if you hear any loud things in the background, that is Chance making breakfast. He's currently making like, I think, a breakfast burrito, but we have a pretty busy day. We've already done skincare, fed the cats, did our little morning routine, and then we have a coffee meeting later, and then what? Oh, Chance works. I have to edit and finish filming and making some stuff for you all. Just a little update. Let's get started with our day. Like someone pretty need a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me.
I'd like to be a different side of me, yeah.
Hey guys, I planned on vlogging the second part of the vlog today, but then it kind of got away from me. Basically, we started working on our audition, ran to get coffee. Coffee turned into literally walking into a vocal lesson, to rushing home so Chance could get to work, to trying to get to our leasing office, to do stuff in the business center before 5 o'clock, to checking the mail, to me coming home being like, I have to edit my vlog. I didn't really film the vlog. I'm basically gonna take y'all with me for the rest of today. Show you what it's like, what I'm doing tonight. It is Friday night. It is April 30th. I hope that's right. Watch when it's like May 1st right now. No, because tomorrow's rent. Yeah, so it's April 30th. Oh, let me show you something really funny. So yesterday I told y'all how I was going to make that pasta. Funny thing, I ruined the pasta. Let me show you. Sometimes you burn things and they're not that bad. This was bad. This was real bad. But let me show you. I saved it because I was too lazy to pick apart the burnt stuff. So I told Chance, I was like, eat around it, okay? Here's the pasta I made. This piece right over here. Legit, just like a crispy noodle, you know? This is trash. That's like actual char. Goodbye. Let's feed ourselves.
You're far away, and yet so close.
It needs cheese. This has some cheese. Jesus Christ. Just kidding. Is that bad to say?
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
And then I just spent the rest of the night editing this vlog that you're watching right now. I really want to thank you for watching. Your support means everything to me. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below for more content. I will see you all on Thursday with a new video. Bye! Bonnie's playing right over here. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Aww, hi. Hello. Oh, did you? That's okay. That's okay. Hi, Miss Winnie. I'm taking a little bit of a nap. Yeah. Happy last day of the year.